Hi, this is Jan, the Success Alchemist, and today's tip is related to goal setting. And this is the first of the 20 mistakes to avoid when setting your goals in my Dream Achiever Success Kit. And the link is below in the description if you'd like to get a free copy of that. So the first tip is, are you letting your head rule your heart? And we've been conditioned almost from birth to be very much in our head and not in our heart. And we're taught to be sensible and responsible. And, you know, how many kids have these dreams of doing something that is really close to their heart and they're inspired by, and they're told by their parents or some other authority figure, no, you're not going to be able to do that. You're not going to be able to pay your bills. That's irresponsible. It's just not feasible. So go and do something sensible. And we get conditioned into putting sensibleness before passion and purpose and inspiration and enthusiasm. And, you know, if I link this to my Wednesday manifestation videos, it's really the emotion and the commitment behind the goals that make them happen. So when you're setting your goals, really tune into your heart center, tune into your intuition, and really feel into whether this particular goal that you're setting is something that you truly believe in, that you truly desire, or if it's something that you're doing because you feel you should do it, or because you're trying to comply with other people's expectations, whether it's a spouse or another family member, or even just kind of fitting into your social circle so that you're not kind of called out or judged or really made to feel like you're doing something weird. Really tune in, because the thing I have to say to you is you have a special gift and you have a special purpose. And it's your job to fulfill that and get that out into the world. So follow your heart, really get emotionally involved with what it is you want to create. And believe me, the manifestation process will flow. You will get opportunities, synchronicities. Just keep an eye open for the little steps along the path to fulfillment of that purpose, to the achievement of that goal, and know that the universe will support you in doing so. So go from the heart, not from the head, and not only will it get you to achieving that goal much quicker, but you'll be doing it in alignment with yourself, and that is what feels really great. So if you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it. And I'd love, if you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel. And in the description, you'll find links to download my Dream Achiever Success Kit with all 20 tips on mistakes to avoid when setting your goals, planning how to achieve them, and overcoming those limiting beliefs that get in the way. So thank you for listening, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.